Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to check Nissan Titan transmission fluid. First, understand that maintaining the correct fluid level is crucial for your truck's performance and longevity. This isn't a simple check. It involves specific procedures to ensure an accurate reading. Following these steps carefully will help you avoid common mistakes and keep your transmission healthy. Before you begin, ensure your Nissan Titan's engine is fully warmed up, ideally after a 15 to 20-minute drive. Next, park your truck on a completely level surface and engage the parking brake for safety. Now, locate the transmission fluid dipstick, which is usually on the passenger side of the engine bay. Some models may have a 10 mm bolt securing it. With the engine idling in park, slowly move the gear selector through all positions, then return it to park. Remove the dipstick, wipe it completely clean with lint-free paper, and reinsert it fully. Pull it out again to read the level. You'll see cold and hot marks. The fluid should be within the hot range at operating temperature, around 149 to 176 degrees Fahrenheit. Note the fluid's color and smell. If your fluid level is low, add the correct type of transmission fluid slowly, using a clean funnel, checking frequently to avoid overfilling. Overfilling can cause significant transmission damage, so be precise. Once the level is correct, re-secure the dipstick. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals to help you stay organized and efficient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.